Hey everybody, today I want to talk to you about some terminal applications that are on your Mac by default. I see a lot of people online purchasing these very nice Macs and adding all the software, but they don't know some of the applications that are on there by default, especially the ones that are via the command line. So today I'm going to go through 5 of them with you. All right, so let's get started. I already have my terminal application open. And the first thing I want to show you is Nano. Nano is a simple text editor that's solely run on the command line interface. So all you have to do to get it launched is type Nano and here, and then you start typing. This is Nano on video, and then to start the saving process I hit Control X, hit yes or Y, and then Control T, and I'm going to select the desktop, and then select this directory, the video demo, and then type a file name and type test nano.txt because it's a text file. I'm going to hit enter, and there it is. The file will be, or should be, right here. And yep, there it is. We'll deal with the other files in here in a moment. So that was Nano. Now I'm going to show you SIPs. SIPs is a image processor that can size and I believe change the file type of batch images anywhere on your Mac, and you can manipulate those images by simply giving it commands. So we are going to test out SIPs here with some of the images that were in the video demo folder that you just saw. So I'm going to SIPs first. Well, I take it back. First, I'm going to go into the proper directory, so we're gonna do a cd. Oh, whoops. Okay, here we go. CD desktop / vid demo, and now we are in that directory. So I'm going to now do the SIPs command. I'm going to say SIPs, and then I'm going to say slash command slash capital Z, which tells the SIPs program to constrain the proportions of the image. So we're going to give it a width of 640. And then we're going to do a asterisk and say .jpg, because those are the kind of files that are in the in the folder, I believe, are JPGs. GPGs. JPG. And there you go. And that should change the image size of the images that are in that folder. We're going to check it out here in a moment. So I'm going to hit return, and it should perform the operation. And there, it worked. So let's check it out. I'm going to open this folder, and I'm going to say get info on this image. Here we go. JPG. Where is it? More info, maybe. Yeah, so it did it. It gave me a. Actually, this was the height apparently, so it's 640. And it constrained it to 633 by 640. Let's look at the other image. It didn't work, huh? Oh, I bet you I know why. Okay, let's try this again. Because this one had a different extension than the one I typed into the command, which is why it only worked on this one image. So, if I were to change this, I believe this will work, but I'm not sure. And then run this command again. I believe this will now be the correct size. No, not really, I guess, huh? Get info. Yes, it is. 640 by 480. So it was correct. And this one, I'm not sure. This one had another dimension that's changed. It was the height versus the width, but it wasn't the same, huh? Anyway, but it did change the dimension, as you can see. Now, we are going to try Caffeinate. Caffeinate, you won't be able to tell because Caffeinate is a exactly what it sounds. It's a application to keep your Mac awake. So what you would do to run Caffeinate is it works based on seconds. So if I were to type here we go, Caffeinate hash -u-t for time and put 60. This means it will keep the Mac screen on for 60 seconds or a minute. And that's all you gotta do. The final application that I'm going to show you is Netstat. Netstat is shows you if you are connected to the internet via your Wi-Fi. So I'm going to type here it is. It's established connection. And performed my netstat command. Netstat is more of a command rather than application. But those are the 5 applications that I wanted to show you today. They are very cool. More people need to take advantage of the command line tools that are available to them by default. And I hope this helped you get more interested in using the command line and its applications, because it makes using the Mac more efficient and much cooler and easier to use when you're using the terminal and typing in commands rather than having to click on a GUI interface. Alright, everybody. That's all I have for today. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you all in the next video.